Hello everyone, welcome to the video on step-by-step configuring Red Ring in Catalyst Center. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to easily deploy, visualize, and monitor Red Ring's network by Cisco Catalyst Center. For the details about the Cisco Wrapped technology, you can refer to the Red Ring in Catalyst Center overview video. Assuming your devices are already on board and discovered in Catalyst Center, and the switches are already connected with the default spanning tree protocol, we firstly go to the workflow page, and then select the Configure Red Ring Non-Fabric workflow. The Red workflow process identifies the existing spanning tree topology, validates for closed rings using the information from CDP label, and converts spanning tree ring into Red Ring. Now, let's define the root wrap device in the network. Root or edge device is the switch which terminates wrap segment from outside world and contains two edge ports of each wrap segment. And in fact, the Catalyst Center is also providing guidance about each individual step along the workflow. The interfaces to be configured with web is automatically detected. So just choose the adjacent device connected to the root device here. Click Next. Now, choose the other adjacent device and click Next, and then give the ring a name. Now, the configuration process is started. It could take some time because the Catalyst Center is checking platform compatibility. From time to time, we can click to view the configuration status. Now, let me fast forward to the end of the configuration process. After the process has been completed, click Next. And we are able to see the Red Ring summary, such as which ports are configured with wrap and the edge ports. To verify, we could go back to the inventory page, click at the wrap device, click at the view device details, and then click at Red Ring, and we will be able to see the Red Ring is successfully created. We can also click at the wheel and look into the web topology status. Where is the alternate port, for example? The deployment of Red Ring in Catalyst Center is simple and straightforward. If you need further information, you are welcomed to visit cisco.com for detailed steps and instructions. Thank you for watching.